So I'm outside smoking a good cigar so far. It's Eche de Carnavas y Cabrajal. And I don't ash like usual. And just when it falls, my jacket strap catches it. Go figure the chances of that. This is a lobby right here, outside in front. All these glorious people. Say hi. Smile for the camera. Yes, he is wearing balloon boots. We didn't really do much today. Just gonna crack open a bottle of wine later on and go to a room party. There's got to be one going on. You know, there's like 5 people with jackets. We might have our own little party. And that's also a dance going on. See how that goes.